Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen that the gold is currently trading at around 1788.70. Okay, and there is a swing forming at this particular level, okay, with a low of around, you can say, 1681. We can see at 1681, and this is the swing. You can say this is a strong support, 1681, okay, as of now. And if we look at back, we can see this level is already being tested here 2-3 times. So that we can see, if the price comes close to this level, we can see it can fall further down. Keep this in mind. Okay, now one important thing, that this is a U pattern forming, okay, and after that we have seen a continuous downfall, okay, and this swing has made an uptrend, you can say, for a period of time. Suppose if this level sustain and it goes above a level of 1880, suppose if it sustain at this particular level, then there is a higher probability that it can go further upside. This is for future, I am telling you, okay. So keep this in mind, this particular resistance and this particular support. So if this breaks downside, we can see further fall. If this sustain, we can see further rise. Before we move forward in gold, if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you will understand how this technical work in gold and other commodities, even forex, okay. And you can telegram link also I have given in the description, you can join that. To now look at the chart. Suppose if this particular level sustain, then we can see it can go further high and can touch a level of $1807, okay, and this 1807 is a particular high of this particular candle. So probability is high, if this level sustain, we can see it can touch a level of $1807, okay, and this $1807 is a weak resistance, so probability is very high. We can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of $1814, okay, and $1814 once goes upside, then we can see it can go further high and can touch a level of $19, okay, and once $19 sustain, then there is a higher probability, then we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of around $1821, okay. And suppose if the price sustain above $1821, then there is a high probability of going further upside towards a level of around, you can say, $1827, and $1827, keep this in mind, this is a weak resistance, so probability is high. We can see it can go further upside, okay. Once the price goes above that level, then we can see it can go further high and can touch a level of after 1820. See, if it sustain above a level of 1827, which is a weak resistance, so probability is high. We can see it can go further upside towards a level of 1835, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 1848, okay. And once if it goes above that level, then there is a higher probability of touching $1856, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 1869, okay. And once the price goes above 1869, then there is a higher probability of going and touching a level of 1877, and once if it touches 1877, then there will be an uptrend for the price of gold, okay. Now, as I have already explained you one thing, that the market will not move sharp rise and well as it will not fall sharp low. What it will do, it will halt for some time, then it will move upside. In the same way, it will halt for some time, then it will come down, okay. Now understand something. So suppose this particular level didn't sustain, okay, as of now we can see a probability of moving upside, but suppose if this level didn't sustain, then there is a higher probability, we can see it can move further down towards a level of $1779, okay. And if that level also didn't sustain, then there is a higher probability, we can see it can touch a level of $1758. Keep this in mind, if the price fall below a level of 1779, then there is a high probability, we can see a level of 1769, okay, and 1769, there is a high probability, we can see it can fall further towards a level of 1762. Once the price fall below 1762, then we can see a level of $1758, and from there we can see it can fall further low. There we can see a probability of touching further down towards a level of 1739, and this level is already being weak support, so probability is high, we can see it can fall further towards a level of 1716, and from there we can see it can fall further low towards a level of 1696. And I've already explained you, the price fall below 1700, keep this in mind, that there will be a probability of moving further down and it can touch a level of 1681 and cross that particular support. Now understand, there is something that you have to understand. There is a U pattern forming, and further down. And once if it goes above this level, then there is a cup pattern will form, which is a higher probability of going further upside. So keep this in mind. What support and resistance I have told you, that is 1880 and 1681. These are the strong supports and resistance. I have told you this is resistance, this is support. If this breaks downside, we can see fall further, and if this sustain 1880, we can see it can move further down. Okay, further upside. Okay, I do workshop also. If you want to attend the workshop, mail me regarding that. Okay, and one more mail ID in the description. Any doubt, you can mail me on it. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.